So today on New York City Apartment Tours with Picasso, we're gonna be checking out 1112 Willoughby. This is apartment 3L. This is a third floor walk up, okay? So no elevator here. So as soon as you walk in, you have the kitchen. All right, a lot of cabinet space. Gas stove. And in this room here, off the kitchen, you'll have the first bath. I need to light it. Shower, storage up top, storage down below. All right, so now we're gonna make our way to the living space. So this is the old school, like Bushwick railroad style 2-bed. All right. It's been a little modernized, which is really nice. So you get your heat included. And you have bedroom number 1. So there's no window in this bedroom. So it can be like an office, a nursery, you know, second bedroom if another roommate doesn't mind. You have a closet. You have the second bedroom. So this is front facing, right over Willoughby. And keep in mind, Maria Hernandez Park is on the very next corner. So the location is like prime Ridgewood. You're only like 3 blocks away from the Jefferson L, or you can walk to the Central M, so you have a lot of like transportation options as well. And here's another entrance. So it goes right into the hall. Well, alrighty guys. So you've seen the unit, you've seen the apartment. All right, again, this is 1112 Willoughby, located in Bushwick, Brooklyn. Okay, railroad style 2-bed, and this apartment's gonna be going for around $2,000 a month. Maybe a little bit more, I gotta double check. I'll get back to you on that. But yeah, if you have any questions or any comments, drop a comment below. Love to hear your feedback on the apartment. And in the comments, just let me know what neighborhoods you wanna check out, some homes that you would like to tour. And I'll be sure to get those in the next episode of New York City Apartment Tours with Picasso. So this is me checking out. See ya.